Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January, day 21. So let's grab our junk journals and dive into a relaxed creativity session for today's prompt of maps. This was a prompt I was really looking forward to, and I already knew it would be a super easy one for me, as I have a few vintage maps as part of my pages from my junk journal when I bound it in the beginning, because I really love to work on top of old maps and stuff. So today was really a doozy, and it's kind of a super simple spread, but I really enjoyed this spread, and it has to be one of my favorites in this journal so far. So I did just rip out an old page of a vintage book because I liked the kind of yellowy of the page. It fits the vintage vibe of the maps really well, I thought, and I did write out a quote from Tolkien: "Not all those who wander are lost." That's one of my all-time favorite quotes ever, so I really love that quote so much, because I'm always loving to wander around and never felt like I was lost for having that. I kind of feel anxious if I stay in one place for too long, so that was kind of always a quote that I felt really drawn to. So it's the first thing that came to mind for the maps spread here, and then I later go in with some gold pen to add some little details and just call it a day. It's super simple, but I really love the different materials and textures included into the spread, and just the bold quote makes the perfect spread, so that I felt like there is no need to add anything to it. So that's why I just called it a day, and I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. So the original quote from Tolkien goes on: "All that is gold does not glitter, not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither, deep roots are not reached by the frost. From the ashes a fire shall be woken, a light from the shadows shall spring, renewed shall be blade that was broken, the crownless again shall be king." And I really like the first line as well, but the page didn't have enough space to include everything, and I thought the "not all those who wander are lost" is the specific part about related to maps in a way, so I thought that is the fitting part for on the page, but that's why I wanted to really include some gold into this spread as well, so that I could incorporate the "all that is gold does not glitter." And maybe I really have to write down the full poem about Aragorn somewhere and include it into my journal as well. Maybe I will do that later today. Now that I have looked back on it, I really love the full quote in a way. So I hope you enjoyed this very simple journaling spread about maps. Do you like to work in your journal with quotes, or do you keep the spaces for writing for your own thoughts and ideas and feelings and whatever? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. And until then, happy creating. See you very soon.